Now that I've talked of some tools that need to be used in Illustrator, it's time that we talk about the Illustrator User Interface. Alright, what we have here in the middle of the workspace is the artboard, and then we have the control panel. The control panel will hold the different controls of every tool of Illustrator. We have the application bar. The application bar will contain the different workspaces. We have the menu bar. This has the different menus for particular tools. If you need the tool and you can't find it, most of the manipulations will be in the menu bar. We have the control panel. The control panel is where we have controls of all the selected tools that we have. So meaning the control panel will change according to which tool is selected. And then we have the toolbar. Alright, this side is all the tools that we need in Illustrator. Now some of the tools in this, we may not cover some of the tools in this series, but we will cover most of the tools that are required for us to cover. This side has the collapse panels. Most of the tools that you select to manipulate have their controls in the collapse panels. For example, we have the color, we have the gradient, we have the swatches, we have the appearances, we have the layers, even some other tools that we'll find from the window. And then at the status bar, we look at different statuses. At the status bar, that's where we check in our zoom and the particular tool that is in control at that particular moment. For example, if I change down here, you can see I've selected the ellipse, I've selected the type tool for the moment, and then when I zoom in, you can see down here, this is zoom in size. All right, we talked about the menus, and for example, I can decide there's a certain tool I'm not finding here. For example, if I don't have the control plus and control minus working on my keyboard, I can use the navigator, which I can find from the window, and then I choose navigator. Now these are all arranged in the alphabet navigator. So here I can zoom in or zoom out of my document. Okay, so here we have swatches, we have the colors, we have the appearances, and these are some of the tools that we're going to manipulate as we go in deep with the series.